Ready to transform your Wix checkout from a transaction to a triumph? Let's dive into customizing your Wix checkout page step by step to boost conversions and create an unforgettable customer journey. First, navigate to your Wix editor on the left-hand menu, find the Store tab, click on it, and then select Checkout from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll see different sections of your checkout page. You can easily reorder these sections by clicking and dragging them into your preferred layout. Think about what information is most crucial for your customers and place it accordingly. Now, let's talk branding. Click on Design to unlock a world of customization. You can change fonts to perfectly match your brand voice. Select a color palette that reinforces your identity and even adjust the style of your buttons to make them pop. For a seamless transaction, ensure your payment options are set up correctly. Go to the Payment Methods section here. You can activate and manage all the ways your customers can pay, from credit cards to digital wallets, creating a smooth and trusted payment experience. Shipping is a critical part of the checkout. Navigate to Shipping and Delivery to define your shipping zones, set up different shipping rates, and offer a clear and transparent delivery process. This builds trust and reduces cart abandonment. By tweaking the layout, applying your brand's aesthetic, and configuring payment and shipping effectively, you've just created a Wix checkout page that's as professional and inviting as the rest of your store, setting you up for e-commerce success.